What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some slime. I didn't have any normal cups because if you saw that last video, my sister made slime that she literally just made, and I'm in San Diego, so I just.
How come you're in San Diego?
Oh, we came here to San Diego because my birthday is in February 8th, so now it's 2 days until my birthday. So let's get on with the actual slime. So it's very cool. Oh, I have new Crocs. I bought them because it's almost my birthday. So, should I use some? No, I'm not using soap. Come on. So I don't really know what to use for the slime because we don't have very much things. So let's go back in here because this is a whole shower. So, ooh, which color do you guys like best? Is this one shampoo,
conditioner, body wash?
Body wash, guys. I think we should add all 3 of them. I'm gonna put my cup right here while I wait because I need to get all.
They don't come out of there.
What?
You have to put the cup underneath it.
What?
Put the cup over.
Really? This is weird.
Ready?
Is that enough?
No. Hold your cup up there.
That's enough.
Okay.
Enough.
Next.
Well, it smells like lemonade. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, next.
Body wash. Is this body wash? Whoa, that's enough, Dad.
Okay.
Whoa.
See.
Okay, guys. Now let's start doing it. Let's put some toilet paper in, but I'm gonna rip it up so we don't add that much, kinda. I'm only adding a little, guys, like that, kind of like little. We have a coffee cup thing in our room, so I just used the coffee cup randomly.
Okay. Stir it now, or?
I think I need one more little piece. Okay, now let's go stir it. I guess I need to open another package, but we are actually going to do the slime in this area because I was having a Muffy, so it's Muffy because my sister spilled some slime right here. So let's sit right here. I love my room. I'm in San Diego. We're only staying here for 1 day.
Then where are you going?
Tomorrow,
Legoland
and Zoo, and I'll see you on part 2. Because if this doesn't work, I'm waiting until tomorrow and see if it works. Yeah, it looks disgusting. I should add toilet paper in there. It looks disgusting.
Okay. You need some salt?
Yeah. And which one's salt?
Red.
Okay. I'll use black and red.
So that's pepper.
This is pepper.
No, that's red salt.
Salt. Guys, let's actually go back and let's put some more toilet paper in because it kind of like softens it up and it's like harder to like for the slime. Okay. I guess I'll just pick this up. this like makes it soft to mix it up and stuff, so that's why I lock this in. I'll just keep that in normally. Stuff that in. Okay, that's all the paper I had.
Okay. Stir it in there.
This is worse than it looks.
You gonna put it in the fridge overnight, see what it looks like in the morning?
I'm gonna wash this off real quick because it's kind of like yucky. Oh, yucky. Oh, is this cold? Okay. Now let's start mixing it. Which one's body wash again? The blue?
No, they're yellow.
I kind of want to.
Body wash?
Body wash makes it very well, I know. Let's go over here now. I'm going to put this in the fridge for now and set a timer for 10 minutes. That's my sister's time. And then I'll see you back in 10 minutes while my timer rings. Yeah. Okay guys, my 1 minute is up. So now we're going to check in the fridge. I'm going to stop the video real quick and turn it around so you can see slime actually. Okay, let's grab my slime. My dad's going to hold the camera now. Okay, here's my slime. Let's close the fridge. Let's go over here and check on it. Ooh, it kind of like helped. Okay, guys. We'll see you tomorrow and see if it actually works. Because my dad's phone's almost out of juice. So I'll see you tomorrow in part 2. Bye! Okay guys, this is the fridge. Ooh, which one's... Hey guys, this is part 2 of my slime video. So now let's check on it. But it's not... the timer hasn't been up yet. We waited a whole nother day because my dad's phone ran out of juice. Okay. Now let's go towards the window because it's a beautiful view. I'm going to stand right here. Look at that view. Okay, now let's actually do the actual video. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my slime, so let's go. I see my sister's slime. I think it worked out good. I don't really think it worked out well. It kind of looks like guacamole. But melted. I think I'm going to touch it. This did not work. Hey guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it and look at this beautiful view. It's so beautiful. Look at the light, the river. The ocean.
There's a plane.
Look at the plane. Over there, over there, over there. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up, and it did not work. So give it one subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye!